Wayne here, PhoenixTypewriter.com. Got this Royal Quat Deluxe. We're going to see if we can fix the variable over here. This button is sticking in. I think it's stuck in right now. No, it's got ratchet action, but it does stick in. Or it doesn't work at all. It does have ratchet, it seems like. But the button's not working right. So let's start by taking this knob off right here and see if that button is sticking as part of the knob or if it's the internal mechanism sticking. So that might be just in this knob. This is corroded as could be here. Let's run something through there and see if it's working. Something that fits in there. This little wire will fit right in here. That doesn't feel right. It's not moving. It should move in and do the variable action. It's not doing that. Okay, let's pull the shaft out. Do that by loosening these two screws here. And we'll see what's going on inside of there. I had one a couple months ago that usually they just got to be cleaned, but the one I started working on a couple months ago was bad. Oh boy, the screw doesn't want to move. Oh boy. I'm about to strip that out. I can feel it. Come on. Oh. There it goes. That's a close one. You break these tips off of these little set screws, they're really trouble. Let's pull it all the way out. I think this has to come all the way out. Yep. So these have little studs on them. One of them did. It should come out of there. It's not moving. It's not. Okay, I'm gonna tap it, I think. It should move. There it goes. I'm gonna put some lacquer down in these columns. And I think it's rusty looking in there. Why does it doesn't want to move? It's just stuck. I'm gonna go back in with it and put some oil on here. If we can get that. Does not want to move. There it goes, gosh. Boy. Go on this thing. Oh, it's stuck again. Alright, this is trouble. Trouble. Went in pretty easy. This must be hanging up on something in here. That should twist right out of here. It's got rust all over. You can see the oil right into the hole there. It's coming, but it's being a real mother. Holy smoke. It's something going on inside of here. I've seen one that's jammed up before. Wow. All right. A mess of rust in here, I think. I'm about to bust this knob pulling so hard on it. It's not moving anymore. You can see the rust pile up here. Wow. I didn't expect that. What a mother. Not expect that. I can just hear it in there. It's got to be pretty close. It's almost there. Did not expect this. Holy smoke. Oh, jeez. Just feels super corroded. I hope that ratchet isn't all messed up like that. Okay, this should come right out of here. I had to turn on my cooler here. Making a little noise. This is really stuck. Just knocked a whole bunch of debris out of there right here. Now this is definitely rusted or something here. It's moving now. It was frozen. I think that's good. It's just frozen. It's just frozen on there. Okay, let's throw some air on here. Relube it. Liberal amount of oil. Okay, so it's working now. I think that's good. I think that's going to be good. Okay, So that's going to be fixed. And a little plunger here. I will clean this out too. Probably do it off camera. Try to get in here, clean this out. I think this thing comes out. No, it doesn't. It's got a little collar in here. But I'll get it that to be freed up. That's freed up. And then the next thing I got to do is go over to the wire wheel and just wire wheel this thing smooth again. And make sure that end piece is okay over here. Clean this up. And it should be good. Wow. I have to check that collar over here too. This machine's also got some rust. Look at that bell, it's all rusted in there. Just one piece of it. I'll deal with that in a little bit, but so I'll put this together off camera, but it should be fine. Trick is getting to this variable piece and making sure it's not bound up, which it was. So that's going to be the problem. All right, just reassemble. It should be fine. Phoenix Typewriter. Good day.